Hello, my dear children. Welcome to the virtual class in GEMS Cambridge International School, Batala for Geography, Grade 7. Here I am to discuss with you our very first chapter of Geography, that is our environment. Environment. Surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal or plant lives or operates is known as environment. The earth is our home, and thus the lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, along with all the living organisms together make our environment. The earth is the only planet in our solar system that sustains life. All kinds of plants, animals live on earth. The word environment denotes the surroundings and the external conditions influencing the development and growth of people, animals and plants. Thus, we can say that the physical and biological conditions in which organisms live collectively makes up the environment. Here we have the components of environment. The first is human environment, the human-made environment and the natural environment. Human environment. Human environment includes the environment in which human beings live is known as human environment. Example: family, education, religion, individual, etc. Next we have human-made environment. It is the environment which is constructed by the skills of human beings. Human modify the environment according to his own needs. He construct the big buildings, parks, bridges, roads, industries, monuments. He built the parks for his own source of entertainment. He built the roads to travel from one place to another, and he built the industries to conduct the trade on the larger scale. Here we have the components, means we have natural environment. It includes the natural things on the earth that exist and occur freely in nature are called natural things or the natural environment. It includes all those things that are the gifts of nature. A dog, a cat, an elephant, plants and the trees with beautiful flowers, the mountains, land, water are all make the part of natural things forming the natural environment. Our earth is known as the living planet because of the presence of living things on it. Natural environment comprises two components, that is biotic and abiotic. Biotic environment includes the world of living organisms, whereas abiotic environment includes the world of non-living elements. Biotic environment includes human beings, animals, trees, like who can sense and feel, but the abiotic environment includes the non-living elements like table, chair, car, mountains, roads are all come under the part of abiotic, and both includes under the natural environment. Here is a girl in the picture who is watering the plants in her garden. Looks so fresh. Think of this. We don't water them, we do not provide them nutrients, and keeping them away from sunlight. Will it look well or look fresh? It's absolutely a big no. Here is an example plant forming the living components. The sun, the water, the soil are the non-living components. Interdependence upon each other. In our surroundings, there are many living and non-living things, and they coexist. They constantly interact and forms the ecosystem. Ecosystem, a community or life forms in concurrence with non-living components interacting with each other. The ecosystem term was first coined by A.J. Tansley in the year 1953. My dear children, you might be wondering, is everything in the surroundings a part of ecosystem? Yes, it is. It can be anything from a small pond to ocean. Thank you so much for watching this video.